America, it's time to show your support for HBCUs and urge your members of Congress to support the passage of the HBCU IGNITE Act, which will make critical investments in repairing, renovating, and improving the infrastructure of campuses of historically Black colleges and universities. Because of a history of discrimination and underinvestment, 90% of HBCU surveys say they desperately need repairs to nearly half of all their buildings. Research facilities and learning centers are in disrepair and represent a threat to the health, safety, and well-being of students they serve. The solution: the HBCU IGNITE Act would level the playing field for HBCUs and make investments too. Install high-speed broadband to support digital learning and tech capacity. Create world-class research and science laboratories. Create new, state-of-the-art classroom facilities. Preserve historic buildings. And repair, renovate, and replace campus infrastructure. But they can only do this with your help. Please go to uncf.org/HBCUIgnite to contact your members of Congress and urge them to support and pass the HBCU IGNITE Act.